local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Starting out the afternoon, tracking just a weak piece of energy moving through the area, but it's enough to produce a little bit of rain and snow showers, especially close to Interstate 77 and other parts of the New River Valley in Pulaski and Giles counties. This is not a big deal, and it's also in no way, shape, or form related to our winter storm that we're expecting Sunday. The storm right now over Seattle and over Oregon, and it will continue to move through the Intermountain West and the Northern Plains. But here's what you need to know about it. The impact's the most important part. The numbers will come, the numbers could be adjusted, but these impacts remain the same. Looking at a significant amount of snow, a lot of snow for at least parts of the area. This is going to lead to messy roads on Sunday and through parts of Monday. And there's the possibility for power outages, especially as we see the wind picking up on the backside of this storm heading into Monday. So looking at a rough timeline of this winter storm, snow may start south of the area early in the morning. So there's the chance that some of you wake up Sunday morning to not much going on. But that snow is going to spread from south to north through the middle of the day, with mostly snow and the possibility of a wintry mix in the eastern part of the area during the afternoon. And then this mess moves out of here the later in the night that we go on Sunday. So as far as how much we're expecting, our first call map is likely coming out at some point later today. But the odds of 1 inch, 3 inches of snow, that's pretty much a guarantee. There's a good chance of 6 inches of snow as well. And there's the possibility of a foot in parts of the area, especially those parts that see all snow. And as it stands right now, areas in the baby blue see almost all snow the entire time that this storm is moving through Sunday. As you head farther to the east, though, that's where you could start to pick up on a little bit of sleet and a little bit of freezing rain. And that is a game of about 25 to 50 miles. And here's why. You've got warm ocean waters in the Atlantic. You see that in the red. So our storm's location is key to whether or not we pull in any of that warm air. If our storm's a little bit farther to the west, we pull in some of that warm air. You get sleet and freezing rain mixing in later Sunday. But if this storm system's a little bit farther to the east, you don't pull in a lot of that warmer air, and everything stays as snow through the entirety of the event. Nonetheless, high impact winter storm on the way for Sunday. Good news is you got plenty of time to plan for it. 3-day zone forecast for the New River Valley. 40s today and tomorrow, 30s on Saturday, 20s for highs on Sunday. So the snow could fall heavily, but it's more likely to be a little more powdery than what we saw in the beginning of the month. For the Highlands, 40s today and tomorrow, 30s Saturday, 20s with a lot of snow coming our way. Sunday, south side's one part of the area where we'll start as snow Sunday morning. And there's a chance that we change over to a mix of sleet and freezing rain at some point Sunday afternoon and evening. And we'll keep you posted every step of the way. Make sure you look up WSLS 10 weather in your phone's app store, and that should pop up right away. Extended forecast here showing today 45 to 50 degrees, and then tomorrow about the same, probably a little more sunshine than what we're seeing out there today. 30s for highs Saturday, so that's the cold air that sets the tone, sets the stage for this winter storm that's moving in Sunday. Most of the precipitation moving out of the area Monday, but I do think impacts are going to linger, especially as we've got a gusty wind on the backside of this thing. So even though we've got the holiday, Martin Luther King Day, there's the possibility, given the amount of moisture and cold air with this system, that we could see some school schedule changes even into Tuesday of next week. I know that seems premature, but just given how strong this system is, how much moisture there is with it, there's at least that possibility that you've got to plan a few days ahead.